Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the application file or its start menu entry. That's essential because shortcuts point to the real executable. Once found, right-click and create a shortcut. This generates a LNK you can move. If you prefer a quick access point, send it to the desktop or copy it to the start folder. Make sure you have permission to place files where you want. If not, run Explorer as administrator or pick an alternative folder to avoid permission errors. Once the shortcut exists, rename it to something memorable so you don't hesitate later. Then open Properties to change the icon. That helps you visually scan a crowded desktop. If the app needs elevated rights, enable Run as administrator or tweak compatibility settings here. This prevents permission prompts or crashes. After customizing, drag the shortcut to taskbar or pin to start for one-click access. Doing this reduces steps every time you launch the app. To finish, launch the shortcut to confirm it opens the intended program. That verifies the target path and arguments. If it fails, check Properties and use Open File Location to find the correct exe, then update target or recreate the shortcut. For power access, assign a keyboard shortcut in Properties so you can open it with a key combo. If things still go wrong, recreate from the original installer or check security software blocking execution as a final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.